This is so informal, I apologize. No, you know what? I don't apologize. This is me. This is 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Yeah. This is lunchtime Tabitha, who hasn't eaten yet because she's filming, and so she's drinking her coffee instead. And this is the second cup, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go on camera and look one of those bougie YouTubers that are holding a mug in their hand, but really it's because I'm actually drinking the coffee. Yeah. But anyways, so for today's video, this company called SHEILAY, S-H-E-I-L-A-Y. I spelled it just to make up for the fact that I may have pronounced it wrong. They sent me some clothes, and so I decided I'm gonna share this with you guys, and we can decide together, do I wanna order from there again, or do I like the clothes, or do you have to upsize or downsize when you're ordering? Fun stuff like that. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Oh, we're going now. Okay. I'm not actually sure if they gave me a discount code for you guys. I'll pop it on the screen right there. Whoa, wow, that's such an awesome discount code. I feel like we should do the shoes first, then I'll change my outfit and try on the outfits for you guys. Does that sound good? I think that sounds good. They come in this cute little bag, so that's kind of cool. Keeps it nice and, hey look, oh, it's in another bag. Oh, that's nice. Look, it has a little drawstring. As I am first now looking at these, it looks a little bit big, which kind of makes me sad. I ordered 6.5, and I was going by the size. I believe a 38 is a 6.5. Remembering the picture, this is actually what the shoe looked like in the picture, so that's super encouraging. It's, excuse me, coffee burp. Wow, those are actually super hard to walk in. As you can see here, well, you can't see there, you can see here, my toe is like all the way behind the black part. I would probably want to downsize to 5.5, definitely. There's a huge amount of space like right in here, so that's a little bit sad. Overall quality of the shoe, great, but downsize literally probably a whole shoe size down. Let me tell you though, they're a little hard to walk in because there's no bend, there's no give right here. It's like solid, which is great because it's support and I can feel like it won't break. Let's see the next pair of shoes. So next pair of shoes we have here, same little bag. Oh my goodness, this smells like chemicals. Oh my gosh. It was like a mix of like new car chemicals and like shoe store. That's what it smells like. Anyways, let me try this on. Give me 1 second. Watch this pair fit me. Moment of truth. Oh my word, I feel like I'm standing on stilts. These are beautiful. It stays on my foot. There's not a lot of space when I would walk that I would feel like it would fall off. Wow, like I have very narrow feet and this definitely holds my entire foot. These are definitely 10 out of 10. I'm keeping these. I'm so excited to wear these. So here it is. It also comes in a little baggie. Like when you get things in a bag, it makes you feel like you bought something from like Michael Kors and it's like super expensive or whatever. So, wow, that's kind of soft. Oh, it kind of feels like my blankie. What? I have a blankie? So this had a couple different colors and I was really like torn between choosing between like this red looking one, but this one to me was super like, I don't know, I felt like I could wear this on so many different occasions as a very like chill like shirt because it's very nude, but then I also felt like it was super, oh my, look at, I should just try it on for you guys. Yeah, this makes me want to order my clothes. I just want sweaters. I just want to wear sweaters. It's too hot right now. Let's see what this looks like on. Oh my gosh, and like the little wrists are so small, little wrist holes. Guys, I'm like literally thinking, why is God so good? Like he's just, I mean, he would have been good either way if this wasn't as cute as it is, but it's so cute, guys. Okay, first of all, I have so many words. I already have like a sort of drawstring detail like this on a different shirt that I have. It's a striped shirt from my 5-star Romwe review haul, if you want to go look at that, where I pretty much ordered all 5-star Romwe items and I reviewed them myself to see if they were actually 5-star reviews. Anyways, super good video, but I had something like this and I love the accessory that allows you to tighten it and cinch it in right there at the waist because that's so flattering. Now, if I wear this out, I probably would wear a black tank top because I don't like to randomly flash people with my belly button. And the back is so stinking cute. Guys, look at how bougie. Oh, I'm in love with this. I'm so surprised with this quality. Like, this is Forever 21 fabric. Let's look at the next one. Guys, it's white polka dots and it's a long dress and I'm so excited. You know what? It's like a wedding dress. Polka dot wedding dress. It's got little wee tassels here. Ooh, the tassels look like they need some Jesus, like they need a hairbrush, but they lost their hairbrush just like Larry did. If you guys did not watch VeggieTales, I feel sorry for your childhood, but also I did not watch a lot of things growing up like SpongeBob, and you'd be like, you didn't watch SpongeBob? Yes, I did not watch SpongeBob, and I have survived to this day, I think, without, well, I know, I'm pretty sure my friends forced me to watch an episode. This is so ranting. It's super long, so that means I can wear it. I can wear it with those cute shoes. Oh, okay, let's see what this looks like on. So many thoughts, let me gather them. I am in love with this. I would be okay with it being a little bit tighter, like on the back here, like if it was tighter, it would look more cinched in, or if it had like a wee thing to tie. I do think this situation here with the tassels is a little strange. I feel like I would be okay with like removing the tassels and just wearing it kind of like that. So that may be something that I do. I think my favorite detail is this slit that's like right down the center. Oh my word, guys, 10 out of 10. I just want to say thank you, SHEILAY, for sending me these clothes. I really appreciate them. I am really proud of your website, and I really like all of the things. The only thing was that pair of shoes I'm a little confused about, but it's still a quality shoe. It would just be a situation of getting the right size. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for sticking it out to the end with me. You're the real MVP. I am so excited that I was able to share these things with you. And remember, if you want to order anything, if there's a discount code below, you can use that. If not, well, happy shopping. Yeah. If you liked today's video, consider giving it a thumbs up. It really does help me get into suggested videos on YouTube, which allows us to grow our family, which I love, and helps me be able to be a YouTuber. And so I thank all of you for subscribing. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, there's a button down below where you can do that. And if you click the bell, you'll be the first to know about all of my videos. So that's super exciting. I love that. I will let you guys go now. I'll stop talking. If you want to hear me talk more, there are lots of videos that you can go watch. Like, I have a prom dress video, Amazon prom dresses. I'll link that right there. So anyways, without further ado, let me end this video. I was about to start this video all over again. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, bye guys.